SETSUBUN. Every year on February 3rd, Japan celebrates SETSUBUN, a traditional festival that marks the change from winter to spring. The word SETSUBUN means seasonal division, and it comes from an old calendar system in Japan. One of the most exciting parts of SETSUBUN is the bean throwing ceremony called mamemaki. People throw roasted soybeans to drive away evil spirits and bring good luck. They shout, "Oni wa soto, fuku wa uchi," which means out with the demons, in with good fortune. At temples and shrines, some people wear demon, oni, masks, while others throw beans at them to chase them away. In homes, parents often wear the masks, and children throw beans at them, laughing and shouting. Another popular SETSUBUN tradition is eating an ehomaki-a, a special sushi roll. People eat it in complete silence while facing a lucky direction chosen for that year. This is believed to bring good fortune. Though SETSUBUN is not a public holiday, many families and schools celebrate it. It's a fun way to welcome spring, get rid of bad luck, and hope for a happy, healthy year ahead.